Hello everyone, my name is Rinku, working as an assistant professor in Department of Management in RPIT Technical and Medical Campus. So today we are discussing about the topic that is Sales of Goods Act 1930. Sales of Goods Act was enacted in the 1930, but before 1930, the rule governed by the sales of goods were a part of the Indian Contract Act 1872. Section 76 to 123 incorporated the law regarding of the Sales of Goods Act, coming into force in 1st July 1930. Now, formation of contract of sale. When a person transfer of the ownership of the goods to another of the consideration of a price is called the sale. According to the section 4, subsection 1, the Indian Contract Act, a contract of a sale of goods is a contract whereby the seller transfer or agree to the transfer of the property in goods to the buyer for a price. Essential of the contract of the sales. Essential elements contract of sale. First one, there are the must be at least two parties. Like another contract, a contract of sale also we are two parties who make the contract. The parties in a contract of a sale are the buyer and the seller. Second one, transfer or the agreement of the transfer of the ownership of the goods. In a contract of sale, in essential that is the ownership of the goods by the transfer from the seller to the buyer. Third one, the subject matter is the contract must be necessary by goods. The subject matter is the contract of sale and essential of the goods. Goods as per the Sales of Goods Act, immovable property other than of the actionable claims and money. The consideration of a price. Consideration price. The goods always sold for a price. Price is a consideration in term of a money. All a contract is written by within and the essential valid a contract with the must a present. Element of a valid contract may be expressed and may be implied. Definition of a goods under the Act. Goods means say every kind of movable property including the stock and share, growing, crops, grass and thing attached to performing of the land which in the agree to the survival before of the under the contract of sales. An actionable claim and money not be including by the definition of a goods. Goods including every kind of movable property. Types of goods, existing goods, second one future goods and third one contingency goods. Existing goods, goods which were the physically in the existence and which in the are seller ownership and the possessions at the time entered in the contract sale called by existing goods. Where seller is a owner, is has the generally property in the them. Future goods, goods are the manufacturer, producer, acquired and the seller after the making of the contract of the sale is called the future goods. Section 2, subsection 6. The goods were maybe either not be yet existence or no be existent but yet acquired by the seller. For the example, A agree to the sale for B of the old milk that is a cow may yield you during the coming year. This is a contract for the sales of future goods. And last and third one, contingent goods. Through a type of future goods and their goods are the acquisition of the buyer seller depend up a contingency which may or may not be happen. Section 6, subsection 2. For the example, A agree to the sale to be a specific rare painting providing is able to purchase in it a present owner. This is a contract of the sales of the contingent goods. Another example, X agree to the sale in 25 bars of the Egypt curtain, providing the ship in the brink and the reach of the cap port safely. It is a contract of the sales in the contingent goods. If in the ship of the suck and this contract become a void and there is the notable able that when